Dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Good evening to one and all present here. Honorable guests, Honorable Secretary Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, dear Administrator Sir, respected Chairman Sir, hardworking teachers, light over darkness and defeat ignorance. It marks the beginning of auspicious movement Parvati. To this program. I invite Shantini ma'am for the same.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
It was wonderful. It was extremely delightful to hear. To welcome is to show honor. To welcome is to establish integrity. We are extremely delighted to have you with us, sir. You do not need any introduction.
Is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, working together is a success. A very warm evening to everyone present here. I, Salma Asmi, on behalf of Sharaf Memorial School, is pleased to welcome a person who hardly needs an introduction, who has done distinguished in numerous capacities. I would like to welcome Dr. C. A. Manjuna, MP of Bangalore Rural Lok Sabha Good evening, sir. We welcome you to the memorable event of Chandrayaan 3 launch.
Explain. Enough. Let her explain. Explain.
India's successful soft landing on the southern pole of moon surface is a moment of national pride. Do you remember the moment when India launched Chandrayaan 3 the last year? Yes, now we are going to represent our team which accepts the Chandrayaan 3 to you. India's successful soft landing on the southern pole of moon surface is a moment of national pride. Chandrayaan 3 was India's successful and ambitious lunar mission. It was launched on 14th July 2023 at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, and finally landed on Moon on 23rd August 2023. Chandrayaan 3 is a follow-on mission to Chandrayaan 2, which consists of a lander and rover configuration. The propulsion model will carry lander and rover. The Chandrayaan 3 was carried by LVM-3 and M4 rocket.
The Chandrayaan 2 was a little crash landing.
Yes, sir.
That concept also looked
Very nice.
And now I will be telling you how Chandrayaan 3 was taken to the moon. Chandrayaan 3 had a power of about 3.84 lakh kilometers by its moon. The spacecraft was weighing 3,897.89 kg into its orbital trajectory for a 41-day space voyage to the moon. The 43.5-meter tall rocket that for LVM-3 to LVM-4 was set for its second launch at 2:35 p.m. in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh in the Satish Dhawan Space Center. This rocket was a composite of 3 modules: propulsion, lander and rover. The lander was known as Bahubali and Vikram, and the rover was known as Patan. first rocket's first stage was empowered by solid fuel. The second stage was empowered by liquid fuel, and the third and the last stage was powered by cryogenic engine with the help of liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. The further information will be given to you by Dakshay and Sanatha Falcon. Next.
Congratulations. That's beautiful. So if you want to become a space.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It's okay.
Good evening, sir. I am Dakshay and he is my co-partner Sanat. Today we are here to explain the status of Chandrayaan 3 and booster separation. The launch of LVM-3 and 4 was scheduled on 14 July 2023 at 2:35 p.m. Indian Standard Time. To reach moon surface, Chandrayaan 3 had some specified phases. Under that, there are 3 major phases. They are the Earth-centric phase, lunar transport phase, the moon-centric phase.
I'm going to explain booster separation. Booster separation had occurred on August 17, 2023. At starting, both the S-200 boosters were ignited simultaneously, and these two boosters helped us to overcome the escape velocity of Earth at the speed of 11.2 km per second. And then the fourth stage is burned for about 113 seconds, and then at the last, at the 137, the booster separation occurs.
Good morning, sir.
No problem.
Good evening, sir. I am Chirag Godavisi. This is my co-partner Hemant Varma. They are explaining about stage 2, the liquid core based system. Hi, sir. Do you know what is stage 2 in Chandrayaan 3? The stage 2 contains cryogenic engines. Cryogenic engines are highly efficient propulsion systems which are used in the upper stage of rockets. This cryogenic engine provides higher specific impulse, increasing the efficiency of the rocket, resulting in the increased payload capacity. These tanks have a capacity of over 27,000 kg of fuel and can fire for at least 12 minutes or 720 seconds. This cryogenic engine uses a combination of liquid hydrogen as fuel and liquid oxygen as oxidizer. The use of fuel and this oxidizer makes the rocket higher efficiency and its performance. In Chandrayaan 3 mission, C-20 cryogenic engine was used. It took its first flight on June 2017. The C-20 cryogenic engine was the ISRO's first cryogenic engine which has gas generator.
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರು ನೀವು.
I'm Tanishi, she is my co-partner Preeti. We are here to explain about cryogenic upper stage. The word cryogenic originated from the Greek word cryo means frost, genic meant to produce. Cryogenic is the study of production and behavior of materials at extremely low temperature below 150 degrees centigrade to lift and place heavier object in space. Cryogenic upper stage, designated C-25, is 4 meter, 13 feet in diameter and 13.5 meter, 44 feet and contains 28 metric tons of propellant, liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen pressurized by helium and stored in submerged bottles. It is powered by single CE-20 engine producing 200 kilonewtons of thrust. The cryogenic upper stage is more efficient and provides more thrust for every kilogram of propellant. The cryogenic upper stage of LVM-3, launch vehicle Mark 3 and Mark 4.
It's okay.
The main function of propulsion module is to carry the lander module from launch engine vehicle till 100 km orbit around it to remain at the height of more than 1,15,000 km, where above the 36,000 km orbit, where the geostationary satellites are located to avoid any threats of collision. The propulsion module consists of a shaped payload, where shape stands for spectropolarimetry of heavy of Earth's atmosphere and measure the variations of polarization from clouds to Earth and to accumulate the signature of exoplanets for the habitability by humans.
The propulsion system is a machine that produces a thrust to push the object forward.
Lander and rover has landed. Thank you. So you successfully landed. Congratulations.
Good evening, sir. My name is Aikita and I am going to explain about propulsion.
ಏನು ಲಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಎತ್ತಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಣ್ಣ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ.
Balu sir, come. Say loudly.
Very sorry.
So what you prepare that you say?
Hi, here you can see this is Komitani Baba. He's making a model to show how was his concept for making Apsara. This is the first controller which was established in 1956 for Apsara, and is the two-step research reactor which has a total power of 1 megawatt. And this on the outer side you can see over there, that is a model of showing the reactors. So this is the second model. That's Thua. It's an Indian design project which has a thermal power of 100 megawatts. And if you see that, this is the fuel materials which are used. The fuel material here it is used as platinum and platinum sugar. This is the inner view of the Thua, and this is an Indian design project which is established in India first. And to see that Thua, it is located in Mumbai, Bombay, Baba Research Center. And this is our third one, it's Cyrus. Cyrus, it's a dome-type research reactor. You can see here, it's a dome-type research reactor which has a thermal power of 40 megawatt. And here, see here, this is the way how they constructed Cyrus. So Cyrus mainly means Canada Indian Reactor Utility Service. You see that Cyrus, it is United Nations supplied project. You see that here, the main materials used for Cyrus are supplied from United Nations. But for the last one, which is still working, it's Zelina. Zelina is a zero energy reactor which has a thermal power of 100 watt. And you see that Zelina is a zero energy reactor with lattice investigation and USLGs. This is the inner view of the Zelina. You can see our model over there. It's Zelina. And this is the working model of the nuclear power plant. And this is our model.
Ever think about rockets and space and
Actually, Pokhran is a place in Rajasthan where India made its second nuclear test and became successful. India made the nuclear test on 11th May 1998. It was not that easy for India to overcome to do all this nuclear tests, but also with all those difficulties,
India joined the nuclear club.
it is on 1972. Under the Prime Ministership of Indira Gandhi, it produced the peaceful bomb for the first time under the code name of Smiling Bridge. Being joined for the nuclear club, there was a long gap of 20 decades where India did not do any nuclear test. After that, when Vajpayee elected as the Prime Minister of India, that is on 1988, India made its nuclear test because Vajpayee's only aim was to convert India as the nuclear state. And after that, he made secret meeting with APJ Abdul Kalam, who was head of DRDO and also the former president of India, and also with R. Chidambaram, who is the head of the work. So we also gave the heading of cricket to trick spy satellites. After that, they successfully made the underground nuclear test because they don't want to leak the radioactive radiations, and it became successful. And on the same day, Vajpayee, the Prime Minister of
Pokhran test. At that time, former Prime Minister Devegowda was the Prime Minister. So Abdul Kalam discusses this issue with Devegowda, but he says we will postpone it by 1 year because if we really carry out this nuclear explosion, we may not get some international cooperation, and we will not get international grants, and there will be sanctions against India. So actually, this file was signed by Devegowda, and he has written in the file it has to be carried out in 1998. But by that time, we lose this ceasefire.
Okay, sir, we will.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, this is only 30%.
Sir, sir.
Sir.
They are so expressive. Really, Atika, one has to, I have to really compliment and congratulate teachers.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your.
See, this is where knowledge has no barrier. Today ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಏನೋ ಓಕೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಥವಾ ಇದು ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಬಸ್ಸಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್.
Sir, half of the students will stay in my home itself, here itself, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Sir, village to.
ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟು ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋಣ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ದೆನ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸಿಟೀಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಟೈಮು ಹೆಡೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 6 o'clock ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಟುಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್.
Sir, by cutting and they're printing, sir, but we are not doing that one. We are doing little bit
ಸರ್
more.
ನಮ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್.
ಈಗ ಅಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ
Sir, no infrastructure. We will give more knowledge, sir. That is our aim, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು?
ನೋ ಸರ್, ನೋ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮನೇಲಿ
Time is,
Sir,
sir.
sir,
Morning 7 they will come,
ನಾವೇ
sir.
ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಳಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸಮಾಜದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ
Sir,
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ 8 ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನು ಚೂರು
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಂಡೇಸ್
ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬಂದು
Social media, sir.
ತುಂಬಾ ಹಾಳಾಗಿದೆ.
ಸರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಸಮಾಜ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಸಮಾಜದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ನೋಡಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸಂಸಾರದ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯ
ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಕೊರೋನಾ
ಸರ್
ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್
ಕೊರೋನಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ದ ನೇಷನ್, ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಯೂತ್ ಪವರ್.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, to spending your precious time with us.
Even the G-force minus physics. So the scientists either go or use cycles to move within the range. Even the rocket's parts of payloads and are transported by the polar cars and the bicycles to the launch site. It was an unassuming setting that India started its very first rocket launch by the Nitropitch, which was supplied by the NASA. This is our tab.
Speech is power. Speech is to perceive, to convert, to compel. It is to bring out another of bad sense into your good sense.
Go and sit on chairs. Move from backside. Go sit on chairs, students.
Now I would like to request into your good sense.
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬಿಡಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಶಾರದಾ ಆಂಟಿ
ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ